That's as far as it
This
goes.
is the shed. This is the driver. Jake is back on the channel, everybody. Jake, you can't park there. You're in front of the drive.
That's what you said.
No, in front of the house, you pleb. Back it up. That is right, guys. We have Jake back on the channel. As we mentioned in the last video, Jake's Audi A3, it's a little bit of a shed. Just realised I've just been filming like the bottom half of my face. It's a little bit of a shed, so we're going to try and slowly start to bring it back to life a little bit. So he's been to the breakers and he's got 2 new speakers because his speakers don't work. Right.
Is what's this part 1 of the Fixing the Shed series?
Yeah, you know what? We'll call it that, Fixing the Shed series. Why not? But I mean, I don't know how the hell we're going to fix that. That's like full respray kind of job. We could maybe like touch up, like respray the bumper.
Yeah, could do.
Get some paint from Halfords and rattle can it.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is so we've got that. We need to get some new centre caps for the wheels, because that one's got one but the rest don't. We need to fix that, so probably a new door card, or at least part of a new door card.
Yeah.
Speakers, so we'll try and do that in this video. And then really I think it just needs a bit of a clean and that'll help it out loads.
Yeah. Give these a bit of a respray. We need to respray these as well.
Oh yeah, the lights. So we how many years ago did we do that? We used like tint spray.
4 years ago when I got the car.
Yeah, we used tint spray, so we need to probably get some like white spirits or paint thinner, get that off, and then probably redo them or just leave them.
Well, look, you can feel the chipping that you did with your BMX.
Yeah, we'll fix that. We need to. So that good story with this one. Somebody ripped his wiper off while we was at the casino in Manchester. So
we're halfway across the car park.
Yeah, it just ripped half of it off and left the other half dangling. So we did a wiper delete, didn't we? And we just ripped it all off.
Yeah.
So we'll get a proper wiper delete and get rid of that.
What, do a kill all wipers one?
Yeah, kill all wipers.
Get it all off. You don't, but both back wheels have got caps on them.
Yeah, so both back wheels have got caps. The front ones don't have centre caps. So we'll probably get centre caps for them. So we've actually got a couple of parts which Jake got from the scrapyard. So his driver's side window doesn't go down. You're going to put another scratch in it, Jake. So we got that. So we're going to try and fix that. And then we've got 2 new front speakers which we're going to try and do now and see if they work. So hopefully they do. If they don't,
I'll be left with cardless door.
Yeah. But we'll try and make it work. Right, let's break out the tools then and start ripping the door card off. So neither of us actually know how to get an Audi A3 door card off. We've never done it before. So what we're going to do?
YouTube it, like always.
Yeah, we're going to YouTube it. YouTube is the best place to go for everything. So we're going to YouTube it and then we'll come back when we know how to take the door card off. So let's go do that. Right, so we just watched a video. It looks a piece of piss. I think there's about 3 or 4 torque screws to remove, a bit of trim, and then you just pull the door card. So we're going to try and do that. We'll try and do it on the driver's side first because, well, both speakers are blown in both doors, but the window on the driver's side doesn't go down. So we'll try and do that one first and fix the window at the same time. And then if that all goes to shit, then we just won't do the passenger side one.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try and let Jake do most of this because he's not... as we discussed in the last video that Jake was in when we went to Edition 38, he's not the kind of most savvy when it comes to cars. So, saying that, you're normally pretty good with bikes, and as the Navy advert says, if you can fix a bike, you can fix a car. So, yeah. I reckon you'll be fine. So, we're going to get onto this door card, and yeah, we'll just do a little montage of us trying to remove of Jake trying to remove this door card. So,
do it.
Very coordinated today, Jake.
What, clothing?
Yeah.
I can do that sometimes.
It's not like you.
Well, I've been updating my wardrobe recently.
Have you got some matching socks now?
No.
Yeah. You're actually quite coordinated with your dress sense today. Makes a change for you.
That's what happens when Jake puts some effort in.
Well, that was a piece of piss.
Oh, I did something myself there.
I know, yeah. Well done. Right,
I was
I was gonna say you're gonna scratch it all. Right, let's get the Torx screwdriver out and we'll get them Torx screws off.
Using the trusty spanner.
Ah, my fingers are stuck. Yeah, we don't have a trim removal tool, so spanner it is. Sorry about the noise as well, the car's running. It's nearly there now, I think, Jake. Probably a couple more clips. That sounded like it worked. And lift up. There you go. Well done, Jake. You did it yourself. You took off a door card. I'm so proud of you. So we've just got the door card off.
Here's the moment of truth.
But the speakers are different. So the ones that are in Jake's are just the normal standard ones. The ones that he's got from the breakers are the Bose ones, which have different connectors on, which have two connectors, whereas this only has one. So we're just going to try it to see if it works. I'm a bit skeptical and don't think it's going to work, but we're going to give it a go. We'll see if it works. Yeah, if it doesn't work, we can always just take them back to the breakers yard and try and swap it for some non-Bose ones. But we'll see how we get on, see if they work. Jake's going to try it now, and we'll report back to see if it works. So the so these ones that Jake's got, as you can see, are the Bose ones. Jake's in his car doesn't have Bose, so the sound's coming through them, but it sounds no better than the speaker that's in there at the minute that's blown. So I don't know what's the plan. He's just gonna take them back and maybe try and get some non-Bose ones and see if they're better.
Yeah, I might go back to the breakers yard, just take them back and say to him, look, got these from you a while ago. Can I just do a straight exchange for 2 non-Bose speakers for my car?
Yeah, because we I think it's because the Bose. I think that's why it's got the extra plug on there, because I think they have like an amp or something that I'm not even gonna try and pretend like I know what I'm on about, because when it comes to electrics and speakers and sound systems, I'm really not that sort of good with.
Well, I'm definitely not.
Yeah, Jake's even worse than me, and he's just put hand sanitizer all over his nice cream trousers. So I think we're just gonna leave the current ones in there for the time being.
For the time being, yeah.
So we'll just leave them in there, and then yeah, we'll I suppose we'll have to put the door card back on. I don't know if we might watch a quick video about changing window regulators and see how easy that is to do.
Could do, yeah.
And then if it's something that we can do while we've got the door card off, then we'll do it now.
Yeah, we could do, yeah.
But if not, then we'll just wrap up the end of this video and give a quick update, and then yeah, I suppose that's episode 1 of doing up the shed.
Episode 1 fail.
Yeah, good way to start the series, Jake. But well, I'm sure you're all glad to see Jake back on the channel. Had a couple of good comments from the previous video with this guy. So yeah, we'll give you an update in, well, for you guys again it'll be a couple of seconds. For us it'll probably be about 30 minutes of us deciding what the hell we're doing. So see you in a second. So I think we've decided, guys, we're not going to do the window regulator now.
No.
I think it's definitely a job that we can do ourselves, but it's now 20 to 10 at night. I mean, it's still pretty light, to be fair. However, it's going to go dark pretty soon, and I don't fancy pissing around doing a window regulator in the dark when we've never done it before. So I think it's safe to say that we probably put the door card back on, and we'll try it in another video, I suppose, because like I said, I don't want to be fumbling around trying to change a window regulator in the dark.
No, not now.
Not a chance. So but it's been a successful day for Jake, because he's actually worked on his own car for once and not cocked it up.
I know, right?
Not broken anything, not snapped any clips, which is always a good thing because they're really easy to snap.
Yes, they are.
it's just not been as successful as we wanted it to be because the speakers didn't work. So,
Bummed out, but
yeah, it's all right. He's got a Bluetooth speaker in his car, so you know your car's a shed when you've got a Bluetooth speaker.
I know, right?
For your tunes. So, yeah. To be fair, when we just tried it, the speakers miraculously started to kind of work.
Yeah.
So
well,
he's got some sort of sound in there, but it's not the best. So we're going to get the door card back on. We're not going to show you that part because it's literally just the opposite of what we've just shown you taking off. So we're not going to film that. And then we'll just wrap up this video, I suppose.
Yeah.
And then yeah, catch you in the next one after that. Right, let's get the door card back on, and then we'll wrap up. So I thought we'd better end the video because we completely forgot and we've just been stood outside in the dark for probably about an hour talking. I mean, I can't remember what time it was the last time we checked in with you. I think it was probably about 9:30 or something like that. Yeah. It's now 20 to 11, and we've just thought, shit, we've not ended the video, so we probably should do that. So this is us ending the video, I suppose. Yeah. So Jake's going to go away and try and buy the right speakers. We've worked out. So this video hasn't been a complete waste of time. No. Well, not for us anyway. It might have been for you guys watching. But we figured out that all of the passenger side speakers are fine. All of the driver's side speakers,
every single one,
are blown. So Jake's going to go and do a bit of eBaying and buy the tweeter, the front door speaker, and the rear speaker. Yeah. Which probably should come to no more than about 30 quid. Yeah, which is about 30 quid. Pretty cheap. So he's going to go buy them, and then we'll try again fitting and repairing his speakers so he's actually got music. Yeah. And then we've just been chatting and we decided we're going to try and just like address the cosmetics of the car because engine wise it's been serviced and maintained, so it's running sweet even on 185,000 miles. It's just all aesthetic, like cosmetic damage. So there's, I think I showed you in the video, there's a bit on the front bumper, so we're going to try and do that ourselves and film it and put it on YouTube in a video, really just to kind of show that anyone can have a go and do it themselves, because I mean this is the first time that Jake's ever really done anything on his car, and I know it was only taking the door card off, but it's one of those, if you've never done stuff like that before, it can be quite daunting. So it's just kind of documenting that experience of us and Jake messing with his own car to kind of show you guys that it's easy and anyone can do it and have a go at it. So we're going to end this one here. As always, if you did like the video, remember to hit the like button. We would really appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button as well. Jake's probably going to be on the channel a little bit more now. He's actually really enjoying being in the videos on it.
Yeah, so yeah.
We'll probably get Jake on a little bit more. So Jake wants you to hit the subscribe button as well.
Yes, I do.
So go and hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below if you like the video as well. Give us some more ideas. Give us some ideas we can do on Jake's car.
Car updates.
The S5, like whatever. Just give us some ideas and we'll film it for you guys.
Any wacky ideas for the car? Let's get this shed in any shape, way, form. Any suggestions?
I really want him to start modifying it. So if we get enough comments, then he might be swayed. So
maybe.
Yeah. Right. We'll leave it there, guys. Blah blah blah. Subscribe button. Do you want to do the honors, Jake?
Like and subscribe. Peace out.